Miller's Flat on the way from Dunedin to Queenstown. This is a rest stop, so we're looking. Beautiful morning. Jackson, look out! We're at the Bruce Jackson lookout at Cromwell. Look at that.
Look at the color of the water thing.
Direction. Tells you where you're going. Where you go. We are at Misha's Vineyard. Misha's Vineyard. Specials inside. Let's go in. 10 to 4. Really? Let's go in and see. Misha's Vineyard. Guys are doing wine tasting. It's $15 a pack for 5 different types of wine.
I want to try this.
Yes, that one, yes.
And then which Riesling will you?
This one is a very gentle dry. This is delicious wine though.
Okay.
And for those people who don't like wine, that's part of Pinot Noir.
Yeah.
So your friend too. A nice smell. And then in your mouth, you're hoping it tastes like it smells, but a bit more going on.
Okay.
Plum and raspberry.
This one is-
Plum and raspberry.
This one?
Yeah, the first
So
one.
that's
Okay.
the high note, yes. And so lots of spiciness, lots of plum and raspberry, lots of spiciness, and of course your first taste straight away, you're getting the acidity that I told you about, and because Pinot Noir is quite acidic, and we have to have that acidity, so because we like to cellar our Pinot Noir, so we we buy them when they're young, and then a good Pinot Noir is about $60. And this lowest planting of Pinot Noir, here at the bottom is the highway that I told you about that goes out there, and this is the lake, and we're facing this way like this. And these purple ones, these are the Pinot Noir.
Okay.
And we keep them, we pick them, and then we put them in the oak barrel like this. So this is Verismo, and Verismo has been scored sometimes between. Used it from under the skin of the grape, and also in the atmosphere of the vineyard.
Right.
And then we
And wine. Yeah. Fergburger and Fergburger.
The queue, there's a long queue outside for people who ordered. Hey, isn't this the Swiss French? For people who have ordered.
I'm gonna eat our apple pie, which is bought from the bakery.
Where are they?
Ice cream, here.
Oh my goodness. So many people.
Ice cream, our burger.
What's this? Half-eaten apple pie and ice cream.
We got steak and cheese, we got pork belly and apple. Okay? For the sandwiches, we got naan. For the breads, yeah, we didn't get any breads as well. For the sweet and treats, we got an apple pie. And then where's the lemon meringue pie? Where's the lemon meringue pie?
Not on the menu.
Not on the table.
Special.
Yeah, we got it. And also the Boston cream donut.
The queue is insane.
Which sandwich?
So Jordan is ordering more. I think so. We ordered 5 burgers, but he's adding on another burger. So we have a total of
6 burgers.
how many pie?
2 pies.
And how many desserts? How many desserts? 2
But
pie.
1 down.
This is the bakery. So let's go in.
You got that right?
Yeah. We got that and that.
apple pie, 990.
And also the lemon pie. Oh, this is the one. Yeah. And that's the cream donut.
Hello, my friends. Oh look, he's using the thing to scratch his chin. Are you itchy? Yang yang ma? Oh look, oh look. Hey, you're allowed to feed meh?
I don't know, man. Are they miniature horse or donkey? Miniature horses. Bye.
Whoa. It's a bit.
Look at the view. It's like the large castle.
There are the pigs in front of it.
Look at all these ducks. These are massive. Massive pigs. You are free to explore this location at your own pace. Feed animals, picnic or stroll. Throw the food at their feet away from you. Animals cannot see past their nose.
Yeah.
Whoa, that is a lot, that is a lot. Look at how much food we got, one tin.
Oh god, getting some. Join, hold it.
Okay.
Okay.
Pigs don't feed.
Pigs cannot see the, cannot see, right?
They can bite bones.
Okay, so we got some feet. What we can do is
Shout pig, pig, pig. Pig, pig.
Throw the one there.
Hello, pig, 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 pig. He's not shit.
There's these Chong.
Oh my god!
Look at the view. Here, in my pocket. We're high up above. Queenstown is down there. These people are just already spending too much time at the first stop where the pigs are.
Yeah. Hey, why you hit the side?
It's coming!
Yeah. Stop it, my babe.
Wait.
That is.
Look at this old boat.
No, look at this. Jordan, left side.
I know. Like we are in what? Where? South Africa.
And they are all
This
like.
old goat. Take this old goat.
Oh god, oh god. How you know this? Oh, maybe young eh? Look at this. We have cows beside us. You are number 22?
They use that to count how many.
The car is big and
They look massive beside the car.
brother, eh?
Look at it.
Brother,
There's a really nice view. And then we have
Now that you.
cows. And more cows.
Go out. I have a date inside the car.
Yeah, so we are, and more cows, so we are afraid.
The saliva, I saw that.
We are here. And Joey is trying to take a photo. Hey, move back a bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's scared.
Okay.
He's coming.
Okay, yeah.
You're hearing booing.
Quick.
Where?
So scared.
You want to reward or not? Yeah.
I just go.
We don't go.
A lot of goats.
Oh, yes. Mini plane. You see the plane?
Don't come now.
One is coming.
Oh.
They come us to late, is it?
I know.
Baby one.
Wow, all coming.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Throw some more. You see or not? Okay. Whoa!
No, this is a llama. They will spit at you. Down there.
Look at this baby.
Oh my god. 我没有了。
Oh my god, it's here.
You got park handbrake ah? No. You just step ah? Hey, behind got people already.
Never mind, never mind.
Aiyo. Nah, take.
Oh shit, I dropped one car.
It's 5:40, sunset behind the snow-capped mountains. But it's too bright. Did not see any alpacas.
This brown one keeps brown. Your mom is saying this one.
She didn't see this. Why you throw on the bed? This is me. Oh, they fighting. Oh, it's a bit dark here, but I don't know if you capture. We got a Lakeview apartment called Lakefront Apartments. 3 bedrooms. The door is here. The living room is on the right. The dining room. A cute little kitchen facing the lake. One double bedroom here. Toilet is here. A big bed here. And another big bed here. Okay. We have salmon, capsicum, and onions.
Do you have
Salad.
tongs or not? Get the tong, please.
Soup. Potato, onion soup. Pies and fries from Fergburger just now. And wine. Where's the wine? We got this wine, white wine from Check and See. It's pretty good. Leftover lunch from Fergburger.
Fergburger. It cannot be leftover. It's very expensive. It's not leftover, guys.
You want to bring the photo over?
When our food still looks good and nice, right? Cheers!
Yes. We have strawberries, apple, yellow kiwi, what's this?
Golden kiwi.
Jaw.
The jaw.
And we have sour thing.
We have cream donuts from Fergburger. It's the famous cream donuts.
Oh my god.
Do you
And
meal and
we have lemon meringue pie from Fergburger.
Do you meal
And better from. No, I can't. Okay. That's it.